There's only 3 rules really when doing titration calculations. First one I'll just read through. You have to work out the number of moles of your known substance. So one of your substances would be the acid or the alkali, will give you both the concentration and the volume. So you're looking for something, you're looking for the molarity or concentration. That will be given in moles per decimeter cubed. So that's a concentration unit. And it must also give you the volume. Now the volume will usually be given in centimeters cubed. Okay, so the way to work out the number of moles, you use N, the number of moles is equal to concentration times by volume divided by 1,000. So that's an equation that you're going to use a lot when you're doing calculations on titrations and solutions. The second thing you do, once you know the number of moles of your known, you can determine the moles of unknown using an equation or stoichiometry. So what that means is, if you have a chemical reaction like this one, alkali plus acid, apologies. Let's balance this. Two of them. That's better. What we can do is, if we work out the number of moles required of this, we know that for every 2 moles of this, we only require 1 mole of this. So whatever value we get from number 1 for this one, we will only need half of the number of moles for this one. A bit of practice, you'll come to understand that and be able to do that. The last thing to do is, once you know the number of moles of your unknown substance, you can calculate the concentration of volume of the unknown, again using N is equal to mV over 1,000, but it will need to be manipulated and changed around to make M, concentration, the subject, or V, volume, the subject.